Good morning, student. In last two lecture, we already done the revision of chapter motion and force. But in this lecture, we have to start the revision of element, compound and mixture chemistry chapter. Now we have to see the first one, the thick the correct one on page number 31 or 30, back exercise. First one you see, a gas having a rotten egg smell. Chlorine, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide. The answer is the hydrogen sulfide gas has the rotten egg. गले हुए egg की तरह smell. Yes, hydrogen gas. No, the answer is the H2S. C part only. Second, a colorless gas. Chlorine, not colorless. Nitrogen dioxide, no. Carbon dioxide, yes, colorless gas is there. Iodine also have the color. The answer is the C part only. A separation technique used to recover the both soluble solid. Here you have to put solid. Correct this. Soluble, solid and liquid component differently. Collect. Distillation only. The answer is a distillation. First one is a sedimentation, decantation. No. Evaporation. No. Filtration. No. Distillation only. Yes. A substance can be separated by chemical mean only. Element? No. If you separate same thing from compound, yes. Compound, yes, you are able to separate. HCl, if you break H and H2 and Cl2. Homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous by physical mean only. The answer is the B part. Fourth, the B part only. Fifth, a separational technique based upon the principle of difference in absorption of solid constituent. I already told the adsorption of the different chromatography only. The A is a chromatography, B is the sedimentation and decantation, evaporation, filtration. A technique difference in adsorption occur only in the chromatography. The answer is A part. Answer is A part. Now we have to do the filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. Now we have to do the B part. Filling the blanks. Yes, first filling the blanks. Dash have definite characteristics and specific property. Two substances are there, pure and impure. The pure have the specific definite characteristics. The answer is the pure substance. Pure substance. The dash is made up of only one kind of atom. That was element only. Element only. Elements. Dash is made up of two or more kind of element or compound, both not in a definite proportion. That is a mixture only. Mixture. Fourth one, the technique of separation used during T separation. T separation we have to use only filtration. Swing we have to use swing. Yes. Dash is a technique in which soluble solid is separated from the liquid component. Both are recovered. You are able to collect both. Already told to you. Distillation. The process is a distillation. Very easy, student. Now come on the true and false. This is very easy. I hope you understand. Now come on the true and false. And correct also. Correct them also. The compound are made up of only one kind of atoms. Compounds are made up of one of false only the answer. Yes, underline the compounds. So answer is only here elements. Element is made from the one kind of. Second, evaporation is a technique for separation of complex mixture. If you want to separate the complex mixture, you chromatography only adsorption. The answer again false. Underline the evaporation. The answer comes chromatography. Very easy. Yes, next one. Ammonia is gas which is a basic in nature. Yes, ammonia is a basic in nature. True. NH3. Ammonia formula is NH3. Heterogeneous mixture has uniform composition throughout? No, false. Heterogeneous already told na, when you dissolve the mud in water, mud down, not uniformly mixed. The answer is the false. So which one is the uniformly composition? Underline the heterogeneous. Answer will be homogeneous. Very easy, student. Homogeneous. Now come on the fifth one. Distillation involves the recovery of both solid and liquid component. Already told. Answer is the true only. So this one is the true and false. Now we have to go for the, this was the C part. Now we have to go for the D part. Match the following. Match the following. Match the following. Yes, greenish yellow gas. Yes, greenish yellow gas. Yes, chlorine gas, the color is the greenish yellow. H2S is the Rottenegg smell. Substance separated by physical method is there. Mixture only. Substance separated by physical method. Answer is the mixture. Are able to separate with mixture only. Now come on the pure substance. See there which one is the correct one answer. Yes, compound. Pure is compound. Compound is the pure. Compound also pure. Yes. Now come the technique for complex mixture separation. Already told to you. Chromatography. Yes, technique for complex mixture. Complex mixture separation. The answer is a chromatography. Yes. Now come on the fifth one. Technique for separation. Technique for separation. Technique for separation of insoluble solid from liquid. Firstly we done the soluble by distillation. Here also which one is there? Filtration. Insoluble to answer is the filtration. Very easy method. Now like the sand you want to separate from the water by filtration only. So this one is the match of the following. In the next revision lecture we have to do the E part, give reason. Thank you.